Hi and welcome to Ocean AI. Today I wanted to have a look at the gold and S&P markets. We're in the gold trade from yesterday, so just wanted to take a look at where we are now, where I'm looking to add in and potential targets for it. So firstly here we have the gold on. We entered in 1905, currently at break even, and what we've had that sell-off overnight. And now what I'm looking for is see if we can get an ABCD into the 382. So ideally with that, see something come down here and then rally up and then further selling from there. That being the 230 being the change in trend time today. So I'll keep an eye out on that. Ideally, we want to get that ABCD pattern. That'll give us more confirmation that it'll be going lower. So what I want to do is I'm going to probably place an order at 1882 or 1883, and I'll have a 10-point stop loss, and we'll bring the original order here at 1905 down to about 1896. And so if that happens, for some reason it goes straight through, collects this one and stops us out, we'll still end up with a or roughly break even or a small profit, depending on where I put the stops here. So if this thing's bearish, it shouldn't go any higher than the 382. And if we have a look at the longer term expected move, we've still got the big ABCD coming down to 1820. And also there's levels lower as well. So there's this ABCD, which would take us down to here. That was this one to here. And then there's possibility of going down and matching these lows around 1700, but for now, we won't worry about that. We'll just look to see if we can add into here to get this next run down. And then, see how we go. So you're staying in it for now. If you want to be conservative and not add in, that's also up to you. We've got a nice profit in it now. We've got sitting at about 300. So that's how I'm going to play it. Look for this to come down here, rally up, sell that again, and then get a second position in it, and that next leg should be a lot quicker. So that's it for the gold. If we go over to the S&P here, so what we're looking at yesterday, I was looking for one more move higher here, so up to 43.20, 43.30 area to complete a, just looking at a little 5-wave structure up here. That's what I was looking for yesterday, and then to sell off. But that didn't happen. We got the sell off. So now, like the gold, I think we need to look at the 382. So if I go into a 15-minute. So we sold off down to nearly the 4100. And now what we've done just at the close and then this morning, we've created a little Gartley back into here, and it's rallied a little bit. So now what I'm looking for would be another rally. So ideally I want it to turn roughly around here where we are and get that to rally up to the 4180, 4188 area, because this ABCD will take us up to there, and that's similar to the gold. That's the 382, and after a big drop like that, you want to be selling that. There's also a big planetary event that's happening yesterday and today, and that is the same planetary event that happened in 87 for the the 87 flash crash. So if we look at that quickly, I haven't got it up. I'll post it into the channel. But what happened with that is they had that sell-off, and they had a couple of day rally, and then it sold off on the Friday, and then Monday is when it gapped down and it dropped. So what we're looking for is a really bearish day today, and then staying short over the weekend, and looking for a gap down to really sell off. But we'll see how we go first. We'll get into it first. Get this pullback here and then sell that. But going to have to use a 25 point stop loss on this because of how much it's moving at the moment. So yeah, that's how I want to play the S&P. The other option is it's just going to fail and it's going to head lower from here. So either way, wherever we get a signal, we'll look to sell it. Ideally, this is where we want to be up here, get back up to this 41.80, 41.87 area. And if we get that up to here and then sell off, that's the one we want to be in over the weekend. I'll post AI and everything like that shortly as well. So it was just an update on the gold and the S&P indices, where I think we're going. So yeah, hope this helps. Thanks for tuning in. Cheers.